name is Virginia Metoa and my last student ID is 37. And in this video, I will present about wired network. In this presentation, I will explain 4 main topics. The first one is wired network concept. The second is wired network hardware. The third is types of Internet cables. And the last one is wired network simulation using Cisco Packet Tracker. So, this video is created to help us understand how wired networks work in real-life situations. So guys, the first topic is wired network concept. A wired network is a type of network that uses physical cables to connect devices such as computers, printers, and routers. The main advantage of wired networks are more stable connection, faster data transfer, higher security compared to wireless network. However, the disadvantage include limited mobility and more complex installation. Next is wired network hardware. So wired network use several hardware components such as router to connect different networks, switch to connect multiple devices in one network, hub distribute data to all devices, network interface card or NIC to allow devices to connect to a network, and the last one is Internet cables to use as transmission medium. Each device has a specific role and ensuring the network runs properly. Next is types of Internet cables. Internet cables are essential components in a wired network because they function as the main medium for transmitting data between devices. There are several types of Internet cables based on their use. A straight-through cable is the most commonly used type and is designed to connect different types of devices, such as a computer to switch or router. This cable uses the same wiring standard on both ends, making it simple and widely applicable. In contrast, a crossover cable is used to connect similar devices directly, such as a computer to another computer or switch to another switch, because it swaps the transmit and receive signals internally. Meanwhile, a roller cable is typically used for console connections, such as connecting a computer to a network device for configuration purposes rather than for regular data transmission. In addition to types, Internet cables are also categorized based on their performance and speed capabilities. For example, category 5E cables can support speeds up to 1 Gbps and are commonly used in basic networking environments. Category 6 cables offer better performance with higher data transfer rates and reduced interference, making them more reliable for modern networks. Furthermore, category 6A cables provide even higher bandwidth and can support faster speeds over longer distance, making them suitable for more demanding network applications such as data center or large-scale systems. Understanding this difference helps users choose the right cables based on their network needs. Next, wired network simulation. So, In this section, I will demonstrate a wired network simulation using Cisco Packet Tracker. So, wired network simulation using Cisco Packet Tracker is an important step to understand how a network works in a practical way. In this simulation, we can design a test network without needing real physical device. The process usually begins by adding devices such as PC and switch into the workspace. After that, the devices are connected using appropriate Ethernet cables, typical a straight-through cable for connecting PCs to a switch. Once the physical connections are stabilized, each device must be configured with an IP address so they can communicate within the same network. This step is very important because incorrect IP configuration will prevent communication between devices. After completing the setup, the next step is to test the network connection using the ping command. The ping test works by sending a signal from one device to another to check whether they can communicate successfully. If the results show a reply, it means the data packets are successfully sent and received, indicating that the network is properly configured and connected. However, if the results show request timeout or destination unreachable, it means there is a problem, such as incorrect IP address, wrong cable connection, or devices not properly configured. Through this simulation, user can better understand not only how to build a network, but also how to troubleshoot common network issues. In conclusion, wired network provides stable, fast, and secure connection, making them highly reliable for both small-scale and large-scale network environments. Compared to wireless networks, wired net connections are less affected by interference, which allows data to be transmitted more consistently and efficiently. Throughout this presentation, we have learned not only the basic concept of wired networks, but also the important roles of network hardware, the difference between types of Internet cables, and how each component contributes to overall network performance. Furthermore, by conducting a simulation, we gain practical experience in designing, configuring, and testing a network system. This process helps us understand how theoretical concepts are applied in real situations, as well as how identify and solve potential network problems. Therefore, mastering these topics is essential for anyone who wants to build and manage a proper and effective network system in the future. So, that's all. Thank you very much for your attention and for watching this presentation. I hope this explanation is useful and helps you better understand wired network. See you in the next presentation. Bye-bye.